Hey there, kitchen wizards and busy home cooks. Are you tired of cluttered countertops and constantly juggling two different appliances for your food prep? You've got your blender alt for that morning smoothie, and then you have to drag out the bulky food processor for dinner prep. Sound familiar? Well, what if I told you there's one machine that can do it all? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving deep into the world of the best blender food processor combo of the year. This is the ultimate kitchen upgrade that saves you space, time, and money. We've put the top models to the test, blending the smoothest purees, kneading tough doughs, and chopping vegetables with surgical precision. We'll be reviewing power, versatility, ease of cleaning, and value for money. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which all-in-one system is perfect for your cooking style. Product number 1, Ninja Blender Enhanced Food Processing. The enhanced processing lid with feed chute and select cut processing discs allow for precise shredding, slicing, and grating. Never stall again. Crushing blender with 1600 peak watt power dense motor and smart torque to power through and never stall. Enhanced food processing. The enhanced processing lid with feed chute and select cut processing discs allow for precise shredding, slicing, and grating. Never stall again. Crushing blender with 1600 peak watt power dense motor and smart torque to power through and never stall. XL Smoothie Bowl Maker. Blender for smoothies with built-in tamper, specially designed to power through frozen ingredients, using less liquid for smoothie bowls or nuts and seeds for smooth nut butters. Product number 2, Ninja Mega Kitchen System. Experience Ninja Mega Kitchen System. Powerful 1500 watt motor. Crush ice, blend frozen fruit, and power through tough ingredients with a 2 horsepower motor designed for professional results. Total crushing technology. The XL 72-ounce pitcher, ideal for large batches and entertaining, features total crushing blades that crush ice to snow in seconds and powers through tough ingredients. Product number 3, Hamilton Beach Blender. This food processor blender combo includes a 40-ounce glass blending jar, 20-ounce blend-in blender travel jar for on the go, and a 3-cup vegetable chopper attachment for slicing, shredding, chopping, and more. Powerful blending performance. With 700 watts of peak power, this kitchen blender for shakes and smoothies effortlessly handles frozen ingredients and leafy greens, making it great for smoothies, shakes, salsas, and more. 3-in-1 versatility. This food processor blender combo includes a 40-ounce glass blending jar, 20-ounce blend-in blender travel jar for on the go, and a 3-cup vegetable chopper attachment for slicing, shredding, chopping, and more. Powerful blending performance. With 700 watts of peak power, this kitchen blender for shakes and smoothies effortlessly handles frozen ingredients and leafy greens, making it great for smoothies, shakes, salsas, and more. Consistently smooth results. The patented wave action system on this protein shake blender pulls the mixture down into the blades for smooth results every time you blend. Excellent for making fruit smoothies, milkshakes, icy drinks, and more. Product number 4, 3-in-1 blender. Powerful 1500 watt motor. Unleash the potential of smoothie blender. The 1500 watt motor and 6-blade Pro system, 32,000 RPM, effortlessly crush ice. The Vortex design jar ensures ingredients are pulled into the blades for consistently smooth results. Transform frozen fruits, ice cubes, and tough nuts into silky creations in seconds. Ideal for heavy-duty daily use at home or in small cafes. You are the master of every mix. The intuitive variable speed knob and pulse function give you complete command over texture, from chunky salsa to creamy soups and fine powders. This smoothie blender adjusts settings on the fly for ultimate customization. The large 68-ounce BPA-free plastic jar serves 6 to 7,
Features a drip-free pour spout for mess-free serving, while non-slip feet keep it stable during operation. Product number 5. Food Processor All-in-One Food Processor and Countertop Blender Combo. Effortlessly chop, slice, shred, fries or veggies, grind meat, knead dough, blend smoothies, juicing, nut butters, and more with 2 versatile BPA-free cups. 88-ounce food processor plus 70-ounce glass jar blender. 72-ounce to 53-ounce max liquid capacity. Manual master control system. A stable 600-watt motor with up to 20,000 RPM and manual control for precise blending. Pulse mode crushes ice, whole nuts, and frozen fruit without overstraining the motor. Speed 1 or chef mode perfectly kneads dough, minces or slices vegetables, and shreds cheese to a controlled consistency. Speed 2 or high speed blends meats, sauces, and dips to silky perfection. Frozen cocktails, creamy almond butter, and perfectly textured hummus can take 60% less time every time.